Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's time for another food review, and today we're going to do piri piri chicken wings from Costco. There's a few of them. There's loads on the plate and it's only about a third of the pack. It's absolutely massive, roughly about that. I'm not a fisherman. Oh, it's no, I caught one this big. No, it's about, I don't know, it's quite big anyway. Like I say, that's about a third of them, and they were £5 something. Bargain. Hopefully, if they taste good. As always, do please like, subscribe, press the bell for notifications, tell your friends, tell your family, tell that random stranger in the street, and always remember it's absolutely free and gratis, will cost not one single penny at all to subscribe to myself or any other creator. So get it done. And if you're watching on TikTok, Facebook, Insta, get yourselves over to YouTube and do the same. Like, subscribe, press the bell for notifications and all that. And Mark Preston 9433. My humble gratitude for each and every one of my 103 subscribers so far. Love you all. And I made a little decision. I'm digressing slightly from this this review. I'll do another mystery giveaway like I did for Slip Digby, who was randomly picked when I hit 100 subscribers. Instead of waiting until I hit 200, I'll do another mystery prize giveaway when I hit 150 subscribers. Could be something little, could be something big. Just have to wait and see if you're that lucky person. Without further ado, remember, my scores on food reviews are out of 5. Got a little cloth for the stickiness. Let's go for like a little bit. Like I say, these are plate full, and it's literally only a third of the platter for £5. It was less than £6. No, that's not bad at all. Nice little kick to the piri piri sauce. Nice flavourful chicken as well. I'll have one more bit, I think. It's nice. If you go to Costco's, you won't regret it. I do like that a lot. I say, nice tender chicken. Juicy, flavourful with the piri piri coating. Very nice indeed. So I'm going to give Costco's piri piri coated chicken wings a solid and very good 4.4 out of 5. That's 4.4 out of 5 for Costco's piri piri chicken wings. Thanks for watching. Until the next time. Bye.